taking a video?
Now I am.
Bug, look at...
Oh, is it a bird?
It's Wanda.
What do you think? You're silly. You're gonna get a haircut today. Do you see the birds Dad has? Can you give the birds a kiss kiss? Give the birds a kiss kiss. But she wants to give him a kiss kiss.
Give the birds a kiss kiss. He's afraid.
Give Chicken a kiss kiss? Can you give Dad a kiss kiss?
Can you give me a kiss kiss? Not with the birds, he says.
He's like,
I've seen Alfred Hitchcock. Alright, well, let's go put the birds back.
Boog, you want to get the birds back?
You wanna see their trick? No, come here.
Don't.
She's still alive. You don't want to fly.
No.
But you can fly.
Boog, you want to take the birds back?
I'm gonna take the birds back.
Better hurry, Boog.
He's gonna cry. That's what he's gonna do.
Meddling? When you need something from me, it's fine, but when I need something, suddenly little Miss Fiona